Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to track your order on Shein. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Shein guys, go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home screen of Shein, where you can see all the items that you can buy in the shop. So at the bottom of the page, we can see all the pages that we can access, such as shop. Here we can see the category section. Here we have the news section, cart, and the profile section, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we ordered something and we want to go ahead and track that order to see how it turned out. So guys, now what we want to do is go ahead to the me section right here at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and open up the me. And now here is going to go ahead and appear an option that says my orders. So guys, you want to go ahead and open up my orders and you want to go ahead and click on view all next to my orders. Click on view all and this will now open up this new menu where you can see all of your orders that you have and had in Shein. So as you can see, here are my orders. As you can see, I currently have not ordered anything, but if you have ordered something guys, it is going to go ahead and appear right here. So after it appears right here guys, just go ahead and click on it to open it up, and it's going to go ahead and appear a button that says to track it, and you will be able to see info about your order. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.